Pansies are the colorful flower with faces. Pansies have heart-shaped overlapping petals. Pansies has one of the widest color ranges: red, purple, blue, bronze, pink, black, yellow, white, lavender, orange, apricot, and mahogany. The flowers may be of a single color or have two or three colors with a face. Today I am going to paint pansies flowers. Before I start today's video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you are visiting for the first time, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's paint pansies together. I have already done my drawing on my newsprint sheet. Place the drawing under the fabric and trace it on the fabric with Derwent oil based pastel. Start to applying transparent gutta on the drawing lines. Hold the gutta properly in the hand when you will start to apply the gutta on the fabric. Follow the drawing lines carefully and avoid the breaks in the gutta outline. Your color will spread out if there is any break in your gutta outline. Let the fabric dry after gutta outline. Background color is very important in silk painting. Selection of the right color enhance the beauty of the painting. I am using very light blue and the quantity of water in blue color is very high. That's why I did not apply the water in the background. Paint the background and add blue cobalt in depth and blend the color with brush. My background is ready. Let the fabric dry. Apply the light green in the leaves. I have already diluted green color in the water. Give the darks with emerald green and dark green on the wet light green color. Paint the flowers in yellow color and add orange and reddish orange in the deep areas of the petals and paint the flower buds with yellow color. Apply the water in the petals and then apply the light purple. Add shading with dark purple. Apply red color in the petals and then shading with the dark brown color. My all flowers are dry. Now I'm applying Gutta on those areas which I want to paint in dark color. Paint with black color when Gutta dries. Apply dark brown in yellow flowers. I used silk paints which are iron fixed. If you are using silk dyes, follow the instructions given on the dye's label. Pansies are ready now. The most beautiful and easy flower to paint. Remove the fabric from the frame. Iron the fabric from both sides after painting, if your colors are iron fixed. I used transparent Gouda in this video, that's why I am dipping my fabric in the water for 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, take out the fabric from the water and hang the fabric on the wire and let it dry. Iron the fabric again from the both sides when it dries. My little art piece is finally ready to be framed. Thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel before you go. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.